Your DuraChill unit has a patented self-changing air filter that can change itself for up to 2 years. However, if you do need to remove or replace the filter for some reason, follow these steps. To get started, make sure your chiller is in standby mode. If it's running, press the power button to the left of the screen to turn the chiller off. If you remove the air filter with the chiller running, an alarm will sound indicating no air filter was installed. It's never a good idea to run your chiller without an air filter, as it lets dust and contaminants into the condenser. To access the air filter, insert your fingertips into the black handle on the top front of the unit and gently pull away from the chiller. The top of the door is held in place with magnets and should release easily. Once the unit is loose, you can simply lift the door up and remove it from the unit and place it next to you on the floor or out of the way. You now have direct access to the air filter to remove it. Grab the top center of the black air filter frame and push it up to loosen it. Use 2 hands to slide it gently forward and out of the chiller. To install the filter, you want to make sure the electrical contacts lined up with the connections on the chiller. Once that is set, slide the filter straight back into the chiller and push it down gently until it locks in place. The touchscreen will display a message asking you if you installed the new filter. If you did, press yes, and it will take you to the filter settings options where you can program your filter change interval settings. If you're simply putting the same filter back into the unit, press no when the message comes up, and DuraChill will revert to your original custom settings. To reinstall the door, line up the tabs at the bottom of the door with the slots on the bottom of the unit, and gently pivot the top of the door until the magnets on the unit secure the door back into place. That's how you change the air filter on your new DuraChill unit. To find out more great tips on how to operate and maintain DuraChill, check out the other videos in this series.